Right, get comfortable, because today we're diving into the sweet and cupboard staples every household had. The ones you'd completely forgotten about until right now. Your taste buds remember it, that crackle, like tiny fireworks going off behind your teeth. Space dust, 5-pence from the corner shop, and a playground rumour that it could do you a mischief. Here's the funny thing though. Most of these foods never went away. Half of them are still on the shelf. And yet every one of them is gone. Stay with me, it'll make sense by the end. The recipes changed. They took the real sugar out and swapped it for fake stuff made in a lab. The factories closed and the food stopped being made in the UK. The tins got smaller. Nobody asked us. Nobody announced it. It just happened. So this isn't a list of dead foods. It's stranger than that. These foods survived, but their taste didn't. It started with a dare: space dust and cola. The story went that your stomach couldn't handle both at once. Complete rubbish, obviously. You did it anyway. Of course you did. It didn't really taste of much. That wasn't the point. The point was your whole mouth fizzing. You could even hear it in your ears while your mates watched your face. The original packets are long gone. There are copies about. The crackle's not the same. Mind you, nothing at 10 years old is ever the same. Powdered magic. Milk, a whisk, 3 minutes, and a wobbly pink mousse that tasted of nothing found in nature. That was the point. 19 million packets a year at its peak. 19 million. You fought your brother for the last spoonful. You licked the whisk while Mum poured it into the glass bowls. And if it sat in the fridge too long, it grew that skin on top. The skin was either the best bit or an abomination. Families split over it. Some never recovered. Still sold. Less sugar now. Different somehow. The pastel packets making promises it can't quite keep. The blue box, the chocolate fondant top, that swirl of icing that was slightly too sweet and absolutely perfect. 4 of them for less than 2p. Lyons Bakery knew exactly what they were doing. They were selling happiness in a foil case, and every child in Britain bought it. Nobody makes them quite like that anymore. The box changed. The swirl changed. Even the foil case feels different in your hand. The first yogurt with real fruit in it. That was the whole miracle. Actual pieces. In 1974, that was practically science fiction. The foil lid peeled back and you licked it. Everyone licked the lid. It was the law. Full of fitness, the adverts said. It felt space-age and healthy all at once, in a fridge in Rotherham. The brand's still going, but it's been bought and sold so many times, it's not the same yogurt anymore. Oh, and speaking of adverts everyone remembers, this next one changed British tea times forever. Martians laughed at us. Remember them? Metal men, crying with laughter, watching humans peel actual potatoes. And Mum laughed too. Then she'd bought the tin. Boiling water, a fork, 60 seconds. A pale, fluffy cloud that was nearly mashed potato. Near enough on a Tuesday. It's still on the shelf today. Different recipe, different owners, same tin, more or less. But 1 spoonful and you'd know. It doesn't taste like 1976. Nothing does. A breadcrumb half moon, crimped at the edges. And inside, lava. The rule was simple. Wait for it to cool. Nobody in history has ever waited. The roof of your mouth paid the price every single time. And you'd do it again tomorrow, gladly. They've been axed twice since then, and brought back twice. Each time with a new owner, a new recipe, and a new box. You can still find them in the freezer aisle. They look almost right. Almost. Britain's first curry came in a box. Powder in sachets, rice in a bag. 20 minutes, and a Friday night in Barnsley felt like Bombay. One fella remembered it perfectly. Said it looked like a tray of string and cardboard with chalked up rubber on top. And tasted divine. He can still taste the MSG to this day. If you had the prawn one, you saved the prawns till last. Everyone saved the prawns till last. It was practically the law. 2 flavors limp on, online only. Someone bought the new recipe recently and left a 1-word review. Vile. His word, not mine. If it ain't broken, he said, don't fix it. They fixed it. First, you had to win the fight. Fray Bentos versus the tin opener. Best of 3. Dad always claimed he had a technique. Dad always cut his thumb. And if it wasn't the opener, it was one of those little metal keys snapping off halfway round the tin every single time. The pie survived. It's still on the shelves now. But the pastry never rises like it used to. Ask anyone. So here's the truth of it. You could fill a basket with half this list tomorrow. Same names, same shelves, and it still wouldn't work. The sugar's been cut. The tins have shrunk. The factory's closed and the foods stopped being made in the UK. The recipes got improved by people who never once sat at your mum's table. Because the thing you're tasting, when you remember these, it was never really the food. It's the kitchen, the bowl, the whisk. Being small and safe and called in for your tea. Part 2 is coming, and trust me, it gets even better. I am Helen. See you next time.